Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to box text on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now what you have to do is simply go to the specific channel in which you want to send the box text. If you want to send the box text in the specific message, you can also simply tap on the message icon that you can see at the top. Now tap on the individual or group's message in which you want to send the box text. If you want to send it in the channel, what you have to do is go to the specific server. Now tap on the channel of your choice. Now you can see over here that specific channel has been opened. Now in order to box the text, what you have to do is tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. Now what you have to do is give the single backtick. After you do that, enter your message over here. Now what you have to do is give the backtick again. Now tap on the send icon in order to send the message. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see your text in the box. Likewise, if you want to send the multi-line block, for that what you have to do is simply give 3 backticks over here. Now enter your message. Now after you enter your message, make sure to give the 3 backticks at the end too. Now tap on the send icon. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see your text in the box. So like this, you'll be able to box the text. So that is how you box text on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.